Hey there, my name is Reuel, and I'll be taking you through my project 1 in CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript course. In this project, I was tasked with using Django and Python to create a Wikipedia-like functionality in a web page. So in the home page, the index page, we have a list of titles of different entries that are entered into the website. So by clicking on one entry, let's say Django, we get the content of that article displayed. As you can see in the URL, it's /wiki/Django. If we enter an article name that does not exist, let's say blah, if we enter something that does not exist, we will get a 404 error. This simply prevents the user from accessing a web page that does not exist. This is done using a util function. Let's go back to the home page. The users can search for various articles. Let's say Git this time, and we will have the article displayed just by searching. We can also do a substring search. So if we just search T, we will get all the articles that have T as a substring in the title. So Git HTML Python. If we search for something that does not exist, blah, again, we get a could not find any match error. That's the search feature. And we can also create a new entry or a new page by clicking here on the side nav. Let's say lorem for the title. And since this is a Markdown format, I will be using some Markdown in the content. Lorem ipsum. This is an example, and we click save page to save the page, and we are immediately redirected to that article. If we try to create the article again with the same name, let's say lorem again, we should get an error. So this is because an article with the title lorem already exists, and this prevents a clash. Let's go back to the page lorem. Let's look at the edit page. By editing an article, we are given a text area where we can enter the new content we want, still in the Markdown format. Let's say this is a subheading, and save changes, and we get the changes reflected on this. Now, if we notice, in the edit page, the URL is /edit/ the name of the article. We can go back to the wiki if we don't want to make any changes. We can also view a random page by clicking this link. So it just displays a random entry by selecting a random title. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for project 1. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.